A very good morning to you all and a warm welcome to all the dignitaries, delegates and dear students for this national level e-conference on issues and challenges or obstacles and barriers to organizational goal achievement with regard to managerial aspects. I, Vandana Mathur, Assistant Professor at Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College, welcome each one of you to this national level e-conference. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this national webinar which is organized by ZSCT's Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College. A very warm welcome to each one of the participants and the dignitaries and delegates who are attending this conference. All of us are familiar with Mumbai. Mumbai is the city of our dreams. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra and the financial capital of India. Mumbai is a host to a number of organizations and business houses who have contributed in a very great way to India's economic improvement as well as India's economic benefit. Therefore, on behalf of ZSCT's Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College, I once again welcome you all to this conference. Before we start our session, I would like to introduce Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College, Kandivali East, Mumbai. The Thakur Educational Group comprises of three trusts, namely Thakur Educational Trust, Zagru Singh Charitable Trust, and Zagru Singh Educational Trust managed by the Thakur family. There are 18 institutions under this banner which are located in Kandivali East in Mumbai. The educated second generation of the Thakur family under the able leadership of Mr. V.K. Singh, Chairman Thakur Education Group, foresaw the need for quality education and decided to fulfill the long cherished dream of their elders to start a college in Mumbai which provides quality and professional education to students. Therefore, ZSCT's Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College is presently run by our respected patron Shri Rajesh Singh Ji, CEO of ZSCT's Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College. I would like to welcome each one of the participants, respected dignitaries, delegates, and all the colleges, all the faculty, all the students who are participating in today's conference. There are 11 institutions under the banner of the Thakur Educational Group. The courses offered in our institute are BSc Hospitality Studies, BA MMC, BA Culinary Arts, BSc Information Technology, BSc Computer Science, BCom Accounting and Finance, BSc Aeronautics Mechanical, and BSc Aeronautics Avionics. Also, we have BSc Interdisciplinary or Microbiology Science, BCom Banking and Insurance. So, on a very positive note, I would like to invite each one of the participants to be a part of our conference on issues and challenges or obstacles and barriers to organizational goal achievement with respect to managerial aspects. No event is complete without invoking the blessings of Goddess Saraswati. Before that, I would like to extremely welcome our keynote speaker and resource person, Dr. G.V. Giri. Dr. Giri is a very well-known person in the field of education. He is the principal of KLE Societies, College of Science and Commerce, located at Kalamboli, New Mumbai. Thank you, Dr. Giri, for being a part of this conference, and we are very fortunate to be also guided by your precious words. I would like to once again welcome all the delegates and dignitaries who are attending this conference and each one of the participants. No event is complete without invoking the blessings of Goddess Saraswati. Goddess Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge, success, wisdom, and fame. Therefore, I would like to invite the students of second year BMS or Bachelor of Management Studies to kindly present the Saraswati Vandana. Thank you, dear students. I would now like to invite our respected Principal Sir, Dr. Sharat Fulari, to kindly give the inaugural address for this session. Dr. Sharat Fulari is an extremely eminent person in the field of education, and our institute is fortunate to be guided by his extremely new thoughts and also giving a new direction to the college. Sir, thank you so much for joining us, and I request you to kindly present the inaugural address. I now request Dr. G.V. Giri, the keynote speaker and resource person for this conference, to kindly give his views on the issues and challenges or obstacles and barriers to organizational goal achievement with regard to managerial aspects. Thank you, Dr. Giri. We are very fortunate to have you with us today. I now hand over the technical session 1 to Mrs. Soni Singh, who is coordinator, Bachelor of Management Studies at ZSCP's Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College. Mrs. Soni Singh is a very eminent person who is very capable, and she has guided the students and made this event possible. Thank you, ma'am, for guiding us and showing us the light towards success. I now request Mrs. Soni Singh to kindly take over the technical session. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning and a very warm and hearty welcome to one and all who have gathered here for today's National E-Conference. I now request you all to join for National Anthem, which will be presented by Shringar, Sakshi, Himanshu and friends. Thank you.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
I now request Shringar to present Ishtavan.
इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बच के रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भले जिंदगी दे। बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन ये बदले की होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
I now request Adit Tambe to present Maharashtra Geet.
जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा। जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा। जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा। रेवा वरदा कृष्ण कोयना, भद्रा गोदावरी। रेवा वरदा कृष्ण कोयना, भद्रा गोदावरी। एकपणाचे भरती पाणी मातीच्या घागरी। एकपणाचे भरती पाणी मातीच्या घागरी। भीमथडीच्या तटानाया, भीमथडीच्या तटानाया, यमुनेचे पाणी पाजा। महाराष्ट्र माझा, जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा। भीतीन आम्हा तुझी मुळी ही, गडगडणाऱ्या नभा। भीतीन आम्हा तुझी मुळी ही, गडगडणाऱ्या नभा। आसमानाच्या सुलतानीला जबाब देती जिभा। आसमानाच्या सुलतानीला जबाब देती जिभा। सह्याद्रीचा सिंह गर्जतो, सह्याद्रीचा सिंह गर्जतो, शिवशंभू राजा। दरी दरीतून नाद गुंजला महाराष्ट्र माझा। जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा।
मन्दिरं शारदाया, मुम्बापुरी विश्वविद्यालयम्। इदं सुन्दरं मन्दिरं शारदाया, मुम्बापुरी विश्वविद्यालयम्। कलाशास्त्रवाणिज्यशाखाभिरूढा, अमूढा विमुक्ता विहङ्गा वयम्। शृण्वन्तु सर्वे
now request Dr. Sharad Fulari Sir, Principal of TSDC, to address the inaugural.
Good morning and warm welcome to dignitaries, participants, researchers, innovators, chief guests, and keynote presenter Honorable Principal Dr. Giri Sir, along with my teacher colleagues and dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to everyone for participation in today's national conference. I, Dr. Sharad Fulari, being head of Jagru Singh Charitable Trust, Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College, Kandivali, Mumbai, feel privileged to welcome today on 29th November 2021 morning for participating in national conference. It is organized by IQAC and BMS Department of College. The main theme of national conference is issues and the challenges and the obstacles and the barriers to organizational global achievement in regards to the managerial aspects. Organizational global achievement, that is recognition of the top talents in the own organization, it is challenge to the management. It is very correct that organizational global achievement, that is recognition of the top talents in the own organization, it is a challenge to the management. In this conference, the issues, the obstacles and the barriers in these regards will be discussed throughout the day. To review the practices in the existing organizations to empower the business in conscious with the prevailing conditions is the main objective of the conference. The main objective of the conference is to review the practices in the existing organization to empower the business in conscious with the prevailing conditions. The issues to organizational legal achievement is regards to the managerial aspects can be discussed with change in the management. It can be discussed with the conflict in the management, business ethics. It can be discussed with the operational influences of the employees. It may be lack of the professionalism. It may be the lack of the power managerial system, proper managerial system, or it may be the capital structure, or it may be the behavioral issues, or it may be the lack of the motivation in the employers. So these are the certain issues, or it may be the miscommunication and the miscoordination, and or it may be the hierarchical issues. These issues are considered as sub-themes dimensions to discuss the main theme of the conference, that is challenges to organizational global achievement in regards to the managerial aspects. These studies definitely suggest new methodologies to build the competitive advantages to overcome the barrier to organizational global achievement in regard to the managerial aspect. I repeat, these studies which we are going to carry out in the today's conference definitely suggest the new methodologies to build the competitive advantage to overcome the barrier to organizational global achievement in regards to the managerial aspect. As we know that phase of pandemic is phasing. the economy and business all over the world have revitalized slowly. In such a situation, there is a need to explore the ways to hoist the path towards the sustainability once again. Therefore, this conference will suggest new methodologies to build competitive advantage. Today's discussion in conference may lead to conclusion to analyze the various hurdles in the path of organizational goals, achievements in overcoming barriers to organizational global achievements in regard to managerial practice in this post-COVID situation. Knowledge Feast is organized through today's national conference, and this is organized by Soni Singh Madam and Swati Sehgal Madam as convener as well as co-convener respectively. For organizing this knowledge feast, the co-convener is Swati Sehgal Madam, while convener for this knowledge feast organization in terms of the national conference is none other than the Soni Singh Madam. The potential excellence of the Soni Singh Madam and Swati Sehgal Madam is seen predominantly while successful, neat and perfect arrangement as well as organization in the today's national conference. Along with that, I would like to mention that my teacher colleagues Vandana Mathur Madam, Kajal Gala Madam, Neha Singh Madam and Sana Sheikh Madam also shown the discipline dedication for organization of this conference. The efficient intellectual contribution of teacher colleagues, convener, co-convener and my dear student is worth to mention here. Principal Dr. G.D. Giri sir is the keynote speaker for this national conference. The address by Principal Giri sir means well beginning is half done. Today's keynote speaker, Honorable Principal Sir, is man of success, is man of knowledge, is man of excellence in managerial field. He himself is successful leader in organization for last 30 years. His expertise in organizational goal achievement is beyond excellence. Dr. Giri Sir's managerial skills will guide to participants of today's national conference. Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College, Kandivali, Mumbai is under the managerial excellence of Shri V.K. Singh Sir, Chairman of Thakur Education Trust, and Shri Rajesh Singh Sir, Chief Executive Officer. Shri V.K. Singh Sir and Shri Rajesh Singh Sir encourage the academics of this college by financial support and the moral encouragement. The management always having act of helping to everyone by giving encouragement for organizational achievement. I bow my head and say thanks for management to their kind support and the blessings. At the end of the day, at the end of the conference, we all will arrive a judgment or the decision and conclusion for overcoming the barriers to organizational global achievement in regard to the managerial aspects definitely. Let us begin the intellectual session with wishing the best to come out in the conference. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Principal Sir, for your valuable time and precious words to all of us. Now I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. G.D. Giri Sir, Principal of Kieli Society's College of Science and Commerce, to address today's National E-Conference.
First of all, I express my sincere thanks to organizing committee of the national level e-conference on the topic Issues, Obstacles, Challenges, Barriers to Organization Goal Achievement in regards to managerial aspect, organized by Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College, Kandivali, East Mumbai. My special gratitude to Chief Patron Honorable V.K. Singh, Chairman Thakur Educational Trust, Honorable Rajesh Singh Ji, Principal Dr. Sharad Fulari, Convener of the conference Mrs. Soni Singh Ji, all researchers and participants. Obstacles, barriers, challenges and failure were not meant to destroy us. They are meant to strengthen us. Yes, there are challenges, obstacles, etc. in the life of every organization as well as manager due to ever-changing environment, need of changing market, as well as expectations of the customers. One should catch the pulse of customers' expectations. Presently, small-scale to large-scale units have become global due to advances in connectivity and digitization. Therefore, the traditional management dogmas do not serve purpose anymore. It is a time for the manager to adopt new thinking, experiment different actions to get recognition for organization worldwide, and make them more human and fit for achieving goals and purposes. It is a challenge in these days for managers to leave behind rigid traditional management techniques and adopt flexible modern management through systematic changes not only in management practices but to the organizational culture, business processes, regulatory frameworks, work arrangements and work ethics at organizational level. In 21st century, the managerial aspect approach of the organizations are based on people, purpose, trust, collaboration, giving back to the society and having fun working. Modern management is technology as well as human oriented. Adopting dynamic technology and dealing with human mindset simultaneously has become a great challenge in these days. Like traditional management, human cannot be treated as corporate machine. They need motivation, wider sense of purpose, alignment with the system, caring ethos, that is dignity and respect, and having fun in working environment. If we consider the modern business objectives, we can understand that the modern business objectives are not merely concerned with earning of profit, but they are shifted to substantial increase in engagement, that is integrity, innovations, performance, and then after profit. And therefore, every manager has to put efforts to achieve these goals, and a manager should imbibe certain requirements in him relating to innovations in practice, methods, innovations in product, innovations in productivity techniques, innovations in marketing, and so on. Further, the manager should be able to maintain cooperation among leaders and operators. The manager is expected to be responsible for collaboration to meet the changing competition profile. Manager should inculcate values among subordinates so that they will behave in a positive way during ambiguous and unexpected situation. Integrity, compassion with organizational culture, maintaining secrecy of the organization should be the prime motto of every manager. Further, a manager should be committed to make positive differences in the organizational setup. He should be responsible to safeguard the interest of young generation for their future career. With all these efforts, managers can overcome the obstacle, challenges, hurdles in achieving organizational goals. As one of the successful business organization in India, Reliance Industries could grow more from refineries to digitization. Modern young mind of daughter of Mukesh Ambani, whose name is Isha Ambani, understood the need of digitization and suggested the scope of telecom industry in India. At present, a brainchild of Isha, Jio, is having revenue of 1 lakh crore, whereas her grandfather was striving for the turnover of 10,000 crores only, that too with huge investment from industrial unit at Rasayani. I mean that young mind of Isha could give birth to a giant communication industrial unit, Jio, through her innovative ideas. Yes, every organization can't get immediate success because organizations today are surfing on the edge of chaos. As market is changing faster and faster, there is an influence of unforeseen events relating to competition, technology, politics, social changes, changing needs of customers, and ability of quick adaptation, so that managers need to be one step ahead and reinvest themselves to these challenges. Thus, the role of manager has not remained only to achieve the goals and objectives, but also to create a positive environment in the organizational setup. I am sure that this conference will achieve a great success through deliberations, as almost all topics, right from change management to business ethics to behavioral aspects, are covered by the organizers. I wish all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. G.D. Giri sir, for your valuable words to all of us. Thank you.